Okay, this is a tiny house, as it's called, and the creator is Parker WATWOOD, who built it, designed it, and he's going to take us through and talk about the features. So, tell me a little bit about this. Well, you've got a.
This front porch folds up,
This folds up.
and over your head is an awning.
This is an awning here.
It could also be a clothes hanging place.
This
And
totally folds up.
it folds down against the floor, the porch. These doors were built out of 1870 original old growth lumber that was used in the cow barn floor in Elkhorn, in the sanctuary, which then was a dairy. This white wood is alder cut before the Second World War in Oklahoma and transported to the West Coast by a couple of old guys driving a chain drive truck with hard rubber tires and wooden spokes. There's walnut used in multiple places throughout the house. That's a 100-year-old walnut.
Cool. And the flooring?
Flooring was taken out of a house in Carmel Point. It was built in the 1920s and recycled for the floor and also for the overhead beams, which were laminated from using boat wood and the oak. This cabinet right here is 1890 shelving material out of the post office and general store in Blanco. All the plywood you see in here is out of sustainably grown forests. It's cellulose insulation in the floor and blue jeans insulation fuzz in the walls. Basically,
So it's totally insulated. Walls,
floor, and ceiling.
And ceiling.
Some of the insulation in the ceiling came from Habitat for Humanity,
Okay.
as did this.
And this is an overhead
Sink.
exhaust fan
And over the sink.
over the sink. There's the sink here.
Yeah, and so
And then this is real interesting. This is a clothes washer, believe it or not, that pulls right out of the ceiling. He's got it designed, just goes right up in there. As you see.
into the machine room where there's a hot water heater, a Bosch 7-gallon water heater,
Okay.
and a spin
Got a
filter.
refrigerator here.
Freezer, refrigerator. This is basically built out of old boat parts from the 1950s. Your table here slides two ways, and this is also old growth redwood. There's lots of
at least three people around
3
here.
and 4, all lots of stowage areas throughout.
Okay.
And
And he custom made the windows and then had dual pane windows that he framed in here.
we have a library ladder that accesses the queen size bed upstairs.
And did you create that whole piece?
Yes.
Just design the whole piece.
Design it and build it. So, if you go upstairs here, there's a queen size bed area
Walk upstairs here. Take a quick look.
in the back log. That's a 1902 Pebble Beach mansion window at the back, cut glass with.
You'll get a skylight up here, which is you can open it for fresh air.
From down below with the crank here.
And you've
we
got
have a
another
forward
sleeping
storage or
area
sleeping
here.
area.
So it will comfortably sleep
5 people.
5 people. Okay.
We'll access the.
It just goes slides over there.
Yeah. This is a composting toilet. A marine masticating toilet would fit in a smaller space than that. So you can hook right up to existing sewer systems, or if you're out off the grid, you can use the composting toilet. There's a 35-gallon tank in the floor that captures water from the sink, the shower.
There's the shower. Light there for the shower.
And same on the other side, the light over here over the toilet. These are more drawer storage, a bin storage. This is a combination sofa and day bed. So this is where, if you don't want to go upstairs to sleep, you can sleep down here.
Just kind of folds down, the mattress goes on top of that.
Yeah. And we have a closet back here, hanging closet, other storage area. This is the shelf for the mattress.
Gotcha. we got. And say a little bit about transportation. How
Well,
we transport it.
It is not a trailer. It's a true tiny house. It's not some home-built trailer made out of press wood with wooden staples.
Right.
This is transportable on a lowboy or a truck as long as it doesn't exceed the limit of underpasses. It's 12 feet tall with the upstairs. And so that can be done by house movers or RV yard places or even towing companies, lowboy trailers, that type of thing. And can be either rolled on a trailer, rolled off a trailer, or craned on or craned off.
Okay.